Okay, this is Emma's first time eating big girl finger food. It took her a little while to get used to the whole chewing thing, but she's doing really well now. These are banana flavored things, so they're a little sticky. They stick to her fingers. And then she thinks they disappear. See, there are a couple in her right hand that she doesn't know about. Oh, maybe she does. But it's been neat to watch her. She's growing up into a big girl.
Oh, we dropped it.
There's one stuck in between her fingers.
Oh, there they go. Scarlet will clean those up.
There's one right here.
Got two here. Come here. Yeah. Oh, that's disgusting.
Big girl.
Is that good? Do you like that?
She seems to really enjoy them. But her faces are funny. Get that last one in. Are you gonna eat that last one? Okay, there you go. Say hi, Grandma and Grandpa. I love you.